Nice new clinger.
Cleaner?
I mean your ringer.
Oh, yeah.
Marco, what did I just buy?
An apartment building?
During the pandemic, when we were stuck at home, me, like many investors, we scoured the real estate listings here for deals. I spent hundreds of hours finding this deal, but this house was special in that it was stopped in the middle of a complete renovation. Ultimately, it's going to take hard work. That's the only way to success. I mean, that's the truth. That's the sad truth. There's no shortcuts. All you need to do is just, in that situation where you have a torrent of money passing by you, all you have to do is just stick out your hand and stick out a little spoon. And if you just capture a small amount of that flow, you'll be a wealthy man, right? Well, I'm a man, and I've been trying my hands, doing the best that I can, keep getting by. But I fell alone, and all my closet's got bones, with only half of them known, they're falling out. Please take these chains, take my heart, spin it, sin or fall apart. Can't be standing to be holding cards when the lights go out. I need the rock, need the roll. Got a feeling, gotta go. Can't see the way to the will let it show without a little help. Please take these help. Well, I got a son, and after all that I've done, probably should have been shot. I stand tall. Well, he used to say, well, Daddy, why don't you pray till my spirit's set free? I'm pulling through. Please take these chains, take my heart, spin it, sin or fall apart. Can't be standing to be holding cards when the lights go out. I need the rock, need the roll. Got a feeling, gotta go. Can't see where the light is shown with a little help. Please take my help. guys, we're somewhere outside Leipzig right now. About to meet a guy off classifieds that says he has 2 pallets of power tools. They're the Lidl brand, which is like a Walmart brand here in Germany. Not that great, but not the worst. So the offer is he'll sell them for 10 euros a piece, which is great, but I don't know which are broken or not, and I have to take 30 of them. So I brought 300 bucks, and I'm gonna try to work out a deal. And hopefully most of the tools are working or in a fixable condition. So, but it is gambling what we're doing today. Let's see if it works out. So these people are returning, selling me returns on Lidl returns, and I have to choose the pallet. It's a hard choice. I like this one. Yeah, I might choose this one. Yeah. You're a nice guy. What's your name? Haji. Nice to meet you, Edward. Nice to meet you again. Yeah. I like this one, so I might go with this one. Yeah. I will do it. I'll probably take half of the things. Yeah.
I hope it's 30 if it's...
I don't think so. Dude. So these guys are selling me 30 pieces of tools returns for 300 bucks. It's quite a gamble. I have no idea if they work or not. Yeah, I'm guessing like some of these are empty. But I guess I'll take the gamble. So I have to choose one whole pallet.
Ja, warte! Was? Ich rede gerade, warum? Ich rede gerade.
I think I like this
Warte,
one.
50 Stück sind die, er will 30. 20 Stück. Wie, er will da raus oder wie? Wie macht ihr das?
Yeah, oh man, okay.
Da musst du alles sehen? Ich hab gesagt, nein.
I take this one. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. This one looks good, and I'll say later why.
Was welche? Wie er will die weg? Ja. Okay. Das meine ich. Alles gut. Nein, ich meine, weil er sei von Berlin her. Ja, wirklich.
Okay.
If you say this pallet is good,
It's good. Alright guys, so I just paid 300 for one pallet. I don't know what I just bought. I don't know if any of these tools work, but I just bought a pallet. I mean, this table saw is worth like 100 bucks. At least I would say. And you got a jigsaw. We got all the tools you need to fix the house. Just my car's packed with tools now. I think I'm gonna go back home and test some of these tools. Alright, see you guys. So the pressure of my tire is at 20 psi, and it's pressurizing this brake fluid fill bottle, which is just applying air to the master cylinder, which is then bleeding the brake and bleeding the lines of air and old fluid. Now this is the old fluid that's coming out. You see the air coming out right there. That's what we want. This system cost $10. You know, I couldn't even get it in America. Yeah, makes bleeding brakes pretty easy. This is a one-way valve I bought off Wish, and it's supposed to push fluid through and not air back the other way. Let's see if it works. Eventually, I will put fresh brake fluid, or then the master cylinder will go dry, and you don't want to do that. You never want your master cylinder to go dry. So I'm probably going to shut it off, disconnect the air, and then put fresh fluid. What up, guys? I'm in Würzburg, Germany, in Bavaria right now because it's 6 o'clock a.m. and I'm here to pick up
7 pallets worth of marble tiles, which should be able to accommodate for 100 square meters of flooring. And so I'm meeting this older gentleman, a German man from here, who's giving me all 7 tons of marble tiles for 1,200 euros cash. So I ordered a semi trailer to pick up all the tiles, and I paid them 850 euros last week. And basically the way that it works is Beiladung is this German word. Basically it means that an empty truck will come back with my tiles, basically back to my city, and this will give me a better price. Now, but the problem with that is I'm on a very short notice on when the truck will be available for me. So yesterday they told me at around noon or 11 o'clock, they told me that they were going to pick it up at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I hurried from Berlin. I drove all the way to Würzburg in 5-6 hours, and of course they were late, so they decided to do it the next day in the morning, which is why I'm now staying at a hostel, and I didn't get any sleep because it's a hostel, of course. And now I'm ready to go to the warehouse and give the man his cash and make sure the tiles get safely on that truck. They're going to pick it up. I'm going to make sure everybody gets paid and that the tiles get on the truck correctly and safely. And I will then go back home, get some sleep and some rest. And then early in the morning, I assume the truck will get to the final destination at my house, where it will be unloaded, and I'll need to help them unload because I have the keys and everything. And my helper will unload, will take those marble tiles and bring them into the basement, which is going to be a lot of work. We have to move all 7 tons as quickly as possible before it starts raining. And so this is all done in a matter of a few days. And yeah, so I got these marble tiles at a very low price. They're basically 1 foot by 2 feet, which is a large format marble tile. And yeah, it's per square feet, it comes down to about $1 a square foot, or roughly $10 a square meter. So yeah, it's a very good price, and you know, material costs are very expensive right now. So I had to grab the opportunity, and I'm going to get more marble tile. Yeah, whenever there are large pallets of marble tile available for sale on the internet, I'm basically scouring at all times to get it, because there's always people throwing out or having design changes to their house. And so that's when you want to pick it up, when people are deciding to change the look of their house or their design, and they need to get rid of their material, the material that they bought, as quickly as possible. So this man, I've been talking to him for almost a month. And the reason why it took so long was because to get a semi-trailer to do this route, it was very difficult to find. So I had to pay this company to basically look for a Beiladung, an open truck that's coming in the same direction, basically. And it just took a long time. It took a couple weeks. So now everything's ready, and I'm going to go to the warehouse now. I'm going to drive there an hour away, and it's on the outskirts of the city. And yeah, I'm going to finish the deal, and we're going to see what we get.